Hi guys, welcome to the CATWay. So in this video, we are going to solve our set of the day. So let us move ahead and check out the set. So what do we have over here is that a group of 25 students from various graduation and post-graduation courses across four renowned colleges took a common analytical exam in which they scored out of 100. Okay. Now the table given below shows the breakup of number of students across graduation and post-graduation and also the highest and lowest scores in each group. All right, guys. So this has been given. So let's go to the questions directly. Okay. So it says ki at least what percentage of students scored below 80. So at least means you have to see for a definite possibility. Okay. So if you talk about the college AMS and you talk about the graduation stream. So there are two people. One guy is at 80, other is at 78. Okay. So there is one person from AMS. Okay. Then for post graduation, if you see, so all these four guys, because the highest is even less than 80, so all these four guys definitely scored less than 80. Correct? You carry out the same thing for PCL. Not definite values if you need. So was one guy 56 who scored is definitely going to be there. But about the now one guy is at 92, we do not need him. We cannot count him. But about the other two guys, we do not have any information, right? So we cannot say where they are. And because you have to take only definite cases, you will get only 1% from here. Similarly, PCL mein post graduation, there is just one guy and he has scored 84. So that is out. So NDMM you come back to. So there is one guy who scored a 61. But about the remaining six guys, you have no idea that what are their scores. Okay. So you cannot consider them because you only have to take the definite cases. Then in post graduation NDMM, you see there is only one guy. So you get zero guys from here. Then JIME, you have the lowest score of 84. So there is no one coming in from there, in from graduation. And post graduation, mein JIME say you have at least one person at 68. About the other one, like one is at 89, and about the third person that is left, we do not have any idea. So we cannot count him. So how many people do we have? 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 7, and 8. So we have a total of 8 people. So out of 25 people, at least there are 8 people who have scored less than 80. So that turns out to be equal to 32%. Okay, so option number B becomes the correct answer. Then it says at most how many students of the group scored more than 72? So more than 72 we are talking about. So from AMS post graduation, if you see, so lowest is 78. So definitely both these people have scored. Then post graduation, now at most you have to check. So you see, one guy there is with 65. Acha, at most ka meaning those who are not able to comprehend. So at most ka simple sa meaning is ki boss, you have to take even if there is a slightest possibility of a certain thing happening, you are going to consider that this thing is going to happen. Okay, so if you talk about post graduation at AMS, you have 79 as the highest score, lowest score is 65. So that one guy is definitely below 72, but among the remaining three guys, one is above 72, we know he scored 79, but there are two more guys left, and because we do not know about their scores, there is a possibility that they might have scored above 72. So in total, we get three people from there. Okay, now PCL may you see there is one guy at 56, but about the remaining three, you have no idea. So definitely these three people can also score above 72. PCL post graduation, there's just one guy, he is at 84. And on the similar basis, you can calculate it for others. So NDMM, you have 6 people and 1 in post graduation, and GIME, you have 3 people in graduation and 2 people in post graduation. Okay, so the total turns out to be 21 people. That is option number D becomes the right answer. Ab aa jao third pe. So what is the absolute difference between the maximum and minimum number of students scoring in the range 66 to 84? So let's talk about the minimum number of. Okay, let's talk about the minimum number of. So AMS graduation, you see both the people are there. Okay. AMS post graduation, if you talk about, so there is one guy. Okay, there is one guy who is at 65. Okay, so that guy isn't going to be included. But about the other people, okay, about the other three people, you have no idea, right? You have no idea. But acha, okay. Hold on a second. About one guy, he scored a 79. So that person is going to be there. But the remaining two people, there is a possibility that they did not score 66. Okay, all of three, like both these people, they also scored a 65. There is a possibility, right? And because you are calculating minimum, you will only take the definite cases. So what do we get over here? We get a 1 from this. Okay. From PCL, if you have to get a minimum, so definitely two guys are out of it. Then there are two people. Now we will assume that these two people do not fall in that range. So we go to a 0 because you are minimizing. Okay. Now PCL post graduation, if you see, so there is just one single person at 84 and that person will be counted. Similarly, you can do for others. So NDMM you get 0 in graduation, post graduation, and GIME you get a 1 and 1. Okay, so total number of people become 6. Okay, total number of people become 6. When you are doing the maximum, you calculate in the same way. Okay, जैसे AMS में you are calculating, so we know both these people are going to be counted. Now post graduation में you see that 65 is the lowest, so that one guy is out, but the remaining 3 can be there. Okay, remaining 3 can be there. Similarly, you have PCL. तो बस PCL में one guy is out, 2 guys are out. That means but 2 people can be there. ठीक है. Post graduation में one guy is there, he is definitely there. MBMM में 61 one guy, 96 one guy. So these 2 guys are out, but you have to maximize for the remaining 5 people. You will consider them falling into this range that we are considering 66 to 84. NDMM post graduation one guy is there, he is out. JIME graduation, you see maximize you have to do. So you will consider 2 people at 84, and JIME post graduation lowest is 68, highest is 89. You will consider one guy at 89 and the remaining 2 over here. So the total turns out to be 5, 2, 7, 1, 8, 8 and 4, 12, 12 and 5, 17. So what is the difference between them? 11. So option number A becomes the right answer, guys. So with this, the set is complete. Hope you have been able to understand the set well. Thanks for watching the video.